and synchronize all the motion. And act as a leader or Jupiter number 1 for today is Major Ferry Yunaldi, call sign Mira, the commanding officer of 102 Squadron. And now the synchro is performing the maneuver called the Jupiter wheel. Both aircraft make a horizontal line at the same altitude, same speed, and of course in a minimum distance of 10 feet. A loud scream and applause for the synchro. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, the great performance of Jupiter was built from continuous program of exercise, step by step, on a high spirit, high motivation and discipline, to give the best for all of you and bring the name of Indonesia. With the 3 aircraft left excellently. Singapore, the finale, the Jupiter Diamond Nuke and Dive Bomber. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, and our